Hi, second graders. It's Mrs. Carr here. Your teachers and I really miss all of you. Today, we're going to be talking about your math journal for this week. So let's get started. You have your table of contents, your optional games for Monday, and on Tuesday, let me zoom in. You have your mental math. So do these problems mentally, type in your answers, and I hope all of you try the May Do optional spicy challenge problems. For Tuesday's problem solving, you can listen to the problem here and see the example, and then you will solve the picture down below. Be sure to take a picture of your work if you solved it on paper or on a whiteboard. So remember, you can click Insert, Image, Camera. You take a picture of your piece of paper. I'm holding my imaginary piece of paper. Take a picture and then insert. And hopefully you'll have a picture of your work and not just a silly picture, a silly selfie like I do. All right, so for your next day's fluency, you're working on doubling again. Make sure you try the challenge question at the bottom and type in your answer. This one is 4 groups instead of 2 groups. For your mental math for Wednesday, you will mentally solve these problems. Everyone must do the first 3, and then hopefully you'll challenge yourself with the next 2. And for problem solving, you have a problem about shells. You can see the example and then solve your own example here. Be sure to take a picture of your work and place it in the box. Next, we have fluency for Wednesday, working on the difference between 2 numbers. Type in your answer in the box and try that challenge question. And then for Thursday, you have more mental math. Be sure to type in your answers there and try that challenge question again. And for Thursday's problem solving, you have a problem about swimming. Check out the example solution and then solve the problem down below. Be sure to insert your work. And remember, if you're ever having trouble reading the word problem, you can always click on the audio button right there. And for Thursday's fluency work, let me zoom out a little bit. Your job is to help Mrs. DeMarco. She needs 5 apples for each pie. So do you see these apples on the outside of the piece of paper? You're going to drag those into your page of the journal to help her figure out how many apples Mrs. DeMarco has in all. And then you're going to write or type an equation down below. Okay. And for your Friday number of the day, you're going to make the number 120 in at least 6 different ways. And challenge yourself. Can you find a way to make 120 that no other second grader used? For your problem solving, you're going to help Mrs. DeMarco find out how many pages she read altogether. Be sure to insert a picture of your work. And for Friday's fluency work, you're going to type in your answers with these doubles and even try that challenge of 2 groups of 230. For your optional math activities, we have that fun math dice game again. And a which one doesn't belong? Which of these images do you think does not belong? And go ask a family member too. Which one do they think does not belong and why? Why do they think that? You'll type in your reasoning in this box below. And the other optional is how many. Take a look at these pictures here. How many? And ask someone else in your home, how many do they see? Compare your answers. What did you count? And how were they the same? And how were they different? You can type that down below right here. All right, second grade mathematicians, we are so proud of you. See you soon.